Okay, let's get a check of that storm right now in our local weather with First Alert meteorologist Tevin Wooten. Just looking at the radar, how bad is this thing coming at Jamaica right now?
I mean, this is making a direct line or direct path towards Jamaica. The island is so small, the storm is still large enough to, even if it were to drop south a little bit, it would still hit the island or impact the island. So this is very much a dire forecast for that region, and it's not the only area that we're concerned about, too. Some of the guidance now suggesting that Beryl makes a line closer towards South Texas and maybe even the Texas Gulf Coast. So this is a long duration event for the Caribbean, the Atlantic, and the Gulf of Mexico. It's winds right now 145 miles an hour, moving towards the west and northwest. Some of the stronger winds are likely to impact the south side of Jamaica and the island, but still as a stout or strong Category 3 or Category 4 storm as it moves now towards Mexico by Friday morning with wind speeds near 100 miles an hour, weakening briefly as it gets out into the southern tip of the Gulf of Mexico, and then again moves closer towards Brownsville, Texas, and perhaps even Corpus Christi, too. Here at home, it's much quieter, much calmer, although we do have some clouds. I'm not forecasting any rainfall today. The next chance of rain, unfortunately, looks to be for the 4th of July. It's this system here. Now, there's a little bit of more of an encouraging sign with this system coming in that perhaps it breaks apart. We're already starting to see some of the drier air impact us. However, because it's the 4th of July, we don't want any rain and also don't want clouds either. That also obscures the vision. Temperatures right now, 58 degrees in Beverly, 68 in Boston, 53 in Bedford and Norwood at 55. Spots of fog, by the way, through Canton, Norwood, Dedham, and even across Westwood as well. As we go throughout the day, the temperatures do climb into the upper 70s and low 80s. Third nice day in a row. Monday, it was a little bit cooler with temperatures in the 70s. Today, we are in the 80s. We're back down, though, into the upper 60s right around midnight tonight with clouds streaming in. There will be spots of fog early tomorrow morning, too, and it's more humid, by the way, tomorrow as well. So looking at that hour-by-hour forecast, today it's nice and dry. I don't think there's any weather worries whatsoever for any sort of pre-4th of July celebrations, barbecues, or maybe playing a round or two of golf. It's tomorrow morning, though, we see one line of showers. And what I like about this is if they're strong enough, we may be able to take some of the energy out of the atmosphere such that by the afternoon time frame, though the guidance still shows more showers and even storms coming in, if we can draw some of that energy out early in the day, we don't quite see as impactful storms later on into the evening and night. But the fireworks forecast, though, temperatures will still be mild at 76 degrees, just scattered rainfall and plenty of clouds. Unfortunately, that will perhaps dim the vision on some of the fireworks overall. Here's a 10-day forecast. We'll talk more about this, by the way, coming up in the second half hour. It seems like Saturday may be a very wet day, especially for the evening and overnight hours. We'll talk about the chance of storms. Sunday doesn't look as bad. It looks like warmer air is on the docket for next week, especially next Monday and Tuesday with highs in the upper 80s and low 90s.